So the best example of the non-ideal solutions with positive deviation is ethanol C2H5OH and hexane C6H14. So now it is a ethyl molecule, ethyl alcohol molecule C2H5OH, C2H5OH, C2H5OH. So in between two molecules hydrogen bond is present. So then generally hydrogen bond is denoted with dotted lines. So then this hydrogen bond is the intermolecular hydrogen bondings. So these are the intermolecular hydrogen bondings. So due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, the molecules what are same type of molecules, that is ethyl molecules, are strongly held in the individual state. Now ethanol combines with hexane. So now this hexane, what is C6H14, the hexane molecules are occupied between the ethyl alcohol molecules. These are occupied the space between the ethyl alcohol. Okay, so then these are occupied space between the ethyl alcohol molecule, then interactions are weaker. Okay, then interactions what happens weaker. So then if interactions are weaker, then the escaping tendency what happens increases. If escaping tendency increases, volume is increases. If volume is increases, the solution which show the positive deviation. What is positive? So deviation. So if the hexane molecules occupied space between ethyl alcohol molecules, then this hexane weakens the bonds between interactions between ethyl molecules is reduces. So then automatically, so what happens, interactions are weaker by what is C6H14. If the interactions are weaker, then what happens, escaping tendency, what happens increases. If escaping tendency increases, vapor pressure what happens increases. If vapor pressure increases, volume what happens increases. Now the solution which show the positive deviation. So now the total vapor pressure, so now what is the total vapor pressure is greater than vapor pressure expected with respect to Raoult's law. Is called the positive deviation. So now this positive deviation, it is drawn or explained with the help of what is one graph. So now a graph drawn between vapor pressure and mole fraction. So what is a graph drawn between vapor pressure and mole fraction? So it is the vapor pressure and mole fractions. So now mole fractions are taken on x-axis. So then vapor pressures are taken on the y-axis. So wherein mole fraction values, so then x1 equal to 0, so then x2 equal to 1. So wherein x1 equal to 1, so then x2 equal to what happens 0. x2 equal to 0. x1 0, x2 1. But in x1 1, then x2 equal to 0. So then a graph drawn between mole fraction and vapor pressures. What is mole fraction and vapor pressures? So now the obtained graph is So now the obtained graph is, so now it is, so it is PA, okay, it is PA, it is PB, so now it is vapor pressure, it is the vapor pressure of, it is vapor pressure of solution, vapor pressure of solution. Actually in this diagram thick lines are denoted, thick lines are denoted higher values, dotted lines are denoted with positive values. So then with respect to it is the dotted lines lower value, so then what happens, it is the partial vapor pressure of the solvent, it is greater, it is the partial vapor pressure of the solute, it is greater, it is the vapor pressure of the solution is greater. So now this diagram is the positive deviation, positive deviation. So it is the non-ideal solutions with positive deviation. So next one is solutions with negative deviation. What is solutions with negative deviation? So then, for example, let us consider a solution. So then solutions, what are solutions? Solutions with negative deviation. Solutions with negative deviation. What is solutions with negative deviation? For example, let us consider a solution. In a solution, solute interactions, solvent interactions are weaker than solute solvent interactions. So then in a solution, okay, solute and solvent solute solvent interactions. What is it? Solute and solvent interactions weaker than, okay, weaker than interactions between solute and solvent. Solute, what is a solvent? So it is the negative deviation. But in positive deviation, solute solvent interactions are stronger than interactions between solute and solvent. For example, let us consider solute. What is BB interactions are same as AA interactions. AA interactions are weaker than means less than. Weaker than means less than. It is the weaker than, less than, weaker than, it is the AB interactions. What is AB interactions? Okay, so it is AB interactions. So now it is explained with one suitable example. Let us consider a binary solution. What is, let us consider a binary solution. In binary solution, partial vapor pressure of the solvent is PA. Okay, solvent vapor pressure is PA, and partial vapor pressure of the solute is PB. Partial vapor pressure of the solute is PB. PA, PB. Partial vapor pressure of solvent, partial vapor pressure of solution is less than expected vapor pressure with respect to Raoult's law. It is the expected vapor pressure with respect to Raoult's law. With respect to Raoult's law. But it is with respect to Raoult's law. So it means the vapor pressure of the individual solvent and solutions are less than comparatively expected vapor pressure of the solution. It means solution vapor pressures are more. Solution vapor pressures are more. So then it is show the negative deviation. Why? Because it show the negative deviation in this one. What happens? So interaction between molecules. Okay. So it is the solvent. It is solute. If solute is mixed with the solvent, so then it is converted into what is solution. So then interactions between molecules is stronger. So then what happens? So interactions between molecules are stronger. What is the interactions between molecules are stronger? If the interactions are stronger, increases, then escaping tendency what happens? So decreases. So then what happens? So escaping tendency what happens? Decreases. If escaping tendency decreases, vapor pressure what happens? Decreases. So then vapor pressure what happens? Decreases. If vapor pressure decreases, then volume what happens? Decreases. If volume decreases, so then change in enthalpy also decreases. Now this is solution deviate from ideal behavior, and also it show negative deviation.